In a major economic move, the UAE's international holding company has acquired a majority stake in Pakistan's first women bank. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif called the deal a milestone in bilateral economic ties, with the investment aiming to modernize the bank and boost Pakistan's financial sector. The acquisition, marking Pakistan's first-ever bank privatization under a special act, is expected to encourage further UAE investment in the country. Afghanistan's Taliban administration has denied Pakistani claims of Indian involvement in recent border clashes. This follows deadly confrontations along the border, with Pakistan alleging that India has been inciting the Taliban. The diplomatic spat intensified after the Taliban's foreign minister visited New Delhi, where India announced it would upgrade its diplomatic mission in Kabul. This has further strained already tense relations between Pakistan and the Taliban. U.S. President Donald Trump has again threatened India with massive tariffs unless it ends its purchases of Russian oil. Trump claims Indian Prime Minister Modi assured him that oil imports would stop, a conversation India denies. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs maintains its priority is to safeguard Indian consumers, with some analysts noting a rift in recent White House statements and Indian import data. The UK Ministry of Defence is granting British troops new powers to shoot down drones that pose a threat to military bases. The move, announced by Defence Secretary John Healey, follows increased drone incursions near bases used by U.S. forces. While current protocol focuses on diverting or disrupting drones, the new measure provides a kinetic option to be used in extreme circumstances. The powers could be extended to civilian sites in the future. Welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Update. For the latest on regional security and military analysis, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an intel drop. In a significant boost to coastal defense, the Pakistan Navy has inducted a new, indigenously developed long-range acoustic device. This Pakistani-built LRAD system is a powerful, non-lethal tool designed to protect strategic naval ports and assets. It operates by projecting a highly focused, directional beam of sound, capable of transmitting clear verbal warnings over long distances or emitting a debilitating deterrent tone to disable potential threats. This deployment marks a critical advancement in securing our maritime frontiers with sophisticated, locally produced technology, providing a decisive and graduated response to surface and coastal intrusions without escalating to lethal force. The United States Navy has strategically deployed a new destroyer, the USS Lyndon B. Johnson, armed with a revolutionary electromagnetic railgun. This weapon represents a paradigm shift in naval combat, using massive electrical pulses to launch projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 7 without traditional explosives. Its current primary mission is a direct response to evolving threats, using its immense kinetic impact to precisely locate and destroy advanced seabed mines in contested Asian waterways. This deployment is a clear signal to adversaries that the U.S. is prepared to counter area denial strategies and ensure freedom of navigation with unprecedented, high-velocity firepower. Pakistan's Air Force has achieved a landmark in self-sufficiency with the launch of an entirely indigenous smart bomb guidance kit. Dubbed the Takbir Precision Guidance Kit, this system can be retrofitted onto existing unguided bombs, transforming them into cost-effective, high-precision smart munitions. Crucially, the kit is fully compatible with the PAF's legacy aircraft fleet, including Mirage 3 and 5 fighters. This breakthrough strategically extends the lethal reach and accuracy of the entire air combat fleet at a fraction of the cost of new missiles, delivering a powerful force multiplier and a stark message of enhanced domestic capability. Enhancing the security of Pakistan's strategic arsenal, the Strategic Plans Division has completed the rollout of a new generation of encrypted handheld radios for its elite field security teams. These ruggedized devices employ quantum-resistant encryption algorithms, creating communication channels that are virtually impossible to intercept, jam, or decipher. This critical technological upgrade ensures that the personnel responsible for the physical security of the nation's most sensitive assets can maintain flawless real-time coordination under any conditions. It represents a fundamental hardening of the command and control infrastructure surrounding Pakistan's nuclear deterrent. A recent assessment from the International Monetary Fund delivers a stark economic verdict. Curbing militancy is absolutely fundamental to Pakistan's financial stability. The report directly links persistent security challenges to crippling economic consequences, including capital flight, crippled investor confidence, and the diversion of vital public funds from development to defense. For Pakistan to secure its international financial standing, attract foreign direct investment, and achieve sustainable growth, a comprehensive and unwavering security operation against all militant networks is not merely a tactical objective, it is the foundational prerequisite for any lasting economic recovery. In a major survivability upgrade, the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps has modernized its fleet of Mi-17 transport helicopters. The aircraft are now equipped with advanced, indigenously integrated laser warning receivers. These systems instantly detect when a helicopter is being painted by an enemy laser, whether for range finding or missile guidance. Coupled with new automated chaff and flare dispensers, the system provides a fully integrated countermeasure suite. When a threat is detected, it automatically releases clouds of chaff to confuse radar-guided missiles and flares to decoy heat-seeking missiles, dramatically enhancing crew and aircraft survivability in contested airspace. Pakistan's communications security takes a significant leap forward. The state-owned National Radio and Telecommunication Corporation has successfully developed a new generation of frequency-hopping tactical field radios. These radios rapidly and randomly switch transmission frequencies across a wide band, hundreds of times per second. This makes it extremely difficult for enemy forces to intercept, jam, or pinpoint the location of the transmission. This indigenous development ensures that Pakistan's ground forces can maintain secure, jam-resistant command and control on the modern battlefield, safeguarding operational integrity from platoon-level missions to strategic deployments. In a large-scale urban operation, Karachi development authorities have completed the demolition of approximately 1,200 housing structures in the Sohrab Goth neighborhood, an area long known as an Afghan camp. The 5-day operation was conducted on the grounds that the settlements were illegally constructed on state-owned land. While officials state the action was solely for urban planning and legal order, the demolitions have displaced thousands of residents, primarily from the Afghan refugee community, raising urgent humanitarian concerns and highlighting the complex challenges of urban sprawl, land rights, and refugee status in Pakistan's largest city. That's all for today from Pakistangeo Defense. Hit subscribe and drop your opinion.